Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Crazy Gamer. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can log into your Topwars account. Keep watching the video till the end. To log into your Topwars account, firstly go ahead and launch open your Topwar application. The home page of Topwar application will appear on the screen. Click on profile icon at the top left corner of the page. On the next page, click on account option. You can log into your Topwars account using your Google, Facebook or Twitter as well. Click on any one of the option. Here I'm gonna go with Google. Choose your Google account and that's how you'll be able to log into your Topwars account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.